In this short video, I'll be showing you guys how you can record your screen with audio on your Mac, whether it's, for in this example, a MacBook Air, a MacBook Pro, an Imac, a Mac Mini, whatever the case is, how you guys can do this and how easy it actually is. So all that you guys need to do is go to the search bar on your Mac and type up an app called QuickTime Player. Just hit enter. You might not even know that you had this, but if you just click that, then at the top left, as you can see up there on QuickTime Player, click File, New Screen Recording, and then this pops up. Just click whenever you want to start recording. And for example, right now it's actually recording, and all that you want to do is when you want to stop recording, just go to the top, click this little button. As you can see there's the video that I just had where I was moving my mouse around. Very easy, very quick, very simple. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hopefully see you in the next one.